Hey, it's Charles with CRC Plumbing. Wanted to take a moment and talk to you about slab leaks. So when you find a warm spot on the floor, or perhaps moisture that won't go away, or the water company contacts you and says, hey man, your water bill's been high and your meter doesn't stop turning, these are an indication of a slab leak and perhaps you should be calling a plumber at this time. So when you see a wet spot on a floor or a wall, you may think that's where the leak is, but that may not be the case. You see, pipes are in these plastic sleevings that protects them from touching the concrete or dirt. These sleeves can sometimes channel the leak to another location, not even where it's happening. So if you start digging up there, that could be a problem. You'll need a reputable leak detection company to help you out. Leak detection is anywhere from $300 to $500, which is expensive, right? But the point is if you just go for it without even knowing what's under the slab, you're going to be in for a lot of problems. Forget about just the drain pipes, the water pipes, and rebar, etc. Post tension, that's a big problem. All the new homes are built with post tension, most of them anyway. And if you cut through that post tension, man, that's the foundation of the home. Now you're going to ruin someone's structure. It's very hard for a plumber to give you an accurate estimate of what it would take to repair that slab leak. There's so many variables that's what's going to make it almost impossible. Not only is the thickness of the concrete one of the factors, which older concrete's harder to remove, and the density of the concrete. Concrete can be from 2,500 to 5,000 psi. And again, age is really important. So until you penetrate that slab, you really have no idea what it's going to take to get it out as far as time exactly. Finding a slab leak is not an exact science. Even the best leak detection companies aren't perfect. So it's not uncommon to hit other lines when digging out the slab. Given the potential problems that may arise, you need to hire a plumber that's going to treat you fairly and do the job correctly. First of all, you're going to have to braze the pipe that's under the slab and do not soft solder. I'm seeing a lot of soft soldering stuff going on out there, and it's not the way to do it. If you braze it, it gets red hot, it makes the joint unremovable, and it flexes with the slab if there's movement. Kind of important there. And if they can't do that, a lot of times someone doesn't want to dig their floor up, we can do a reroute. He may suggest going overhead, going through a back wall, going under a wall, anything other than breaking up that floor. Because when you got a floor that's pretty nice and expensive, let's not touch that, let's go another route. Well, once again, I want to say thanks to everybody out there that's checking us out. We love it. Please leave a comment. Let us know how you're feeling. If we can help you out, then hopefully these are doing so. So thanks for watching again. Be good. Thanks.